Friends not good for you, girl. But I know I'm the hard way. I'm not hopeless.
Me get pregnant, be a drama in my own little world. I don't know them something they already be drama. So again, I was distracted. Me not have time for nothing spice. The fact that I lose my job, everything just a come down. Me never in a no position for in a no formal conversation about that. In a my own little world, a drama. So anyways, me don't know. Me just want mind just say tell Spice. Tell Spice. Cause everybody come and go and like them are the realest thing on Spice and then this and then that. The drama now broke out. Nobody no want to talk. Everybody are hide and go and like them are good as and then afraid to talk because everybody full of secret of stuff that they said or they are saying. Me not have nothing to hide. If I said something and me not remember and somebody say me this say so I can identify it, well fine, I said it. Me predict, you know, you see from just come out of the group, me just have said to myself, all my family around me, I kill up themselves and a bubble and a boil, because they were upset. And me say, me just a laugh. Me not tell them the truth. They ask me if me do it with the man and me say no. And me just laugh and me looking at my mind and me say, you know, say, me there fi see when the group are gonna mash up. Me there fi see when the group are gonna mash up, because nobody is true to each other. This is when I go post this is when I say a bestie. And when bestie turn back in rebel bestie. There was no genuine, true loyalty, friendship and love. It patch up, patch up. Be a jealousy, all angry just a beat me left and right. I mean not do nobody, no me not trouble nobody. Me stay in my lane and laugh and say me mad. And when me go party, me clean up the whole road and me drunk and me mad. And I don't care about nobody. Me just stay in my lane and do my thing. Everybody chat the man go, then chat the man come. When me come out of a group, me worse than one, you know, cause remember say me no follow them, me no follow up their argument. I try not to live in the world. Me try not to watch it. Me will see things, yes, cause you know, say things are gonna pop up in the search. Or one and two look at something interesting. I do look. Not go like me never see or me like me I see everything. Things attack, bad man, things attack RT boss, you know better. You know better. You go talk about the maga one loyal murder the thing there. Murder the thing there. Murder the thing there. Murder the thing there. Murder she wrote. When me leave the group, me can know the woman business. Me never ask nobody no question. But watch you danger friend and danger loyal and danger not go say nothing. Not only me, the whole of Dancehall can come talk on that. Daima can talk, Daima was there, Daima hear things. Everybody afraid to come. What is it? Why not afraid to come talk? Why talk? Because the whole of no have secret and the whole of no did say things. Me don't know about the next one, but me know say our slate is not clean and me no care. I don't care, I'm talking. I don't know because me and her wasn't close, we never talk good, so me can't know. But me know. Me know. Him is a wicked reader, man. You're the lie. You're lying. If you say, me not gonna say if you say you're good or whatever, because me if you say yes, you know your shits and whatever, but you're lying. You twist up things. You say what you want to say. You lego what you want to lego. And you are in charge. Because you have knowledge of whatever. You just have it say you're in charge. So you say you run the show. But let me tell you this. God no sleep bad man and God no like ugly. So anything we are reach anybody, anything we are mess up, everybody deserve it. It's about time. It's about time. You know this a ship here when go turn over and sink. Because be a bad energy. Be a lies. Be a deceit. Be a bad energy. Be a lie. Loyal what? I was the most loyal, Father God. People jealous of me for what me not do. Everything I danger. Everything I danger. Everything I make danger do this. Everything I make danger do that. It's not even funny. Me not trouble nobody. Me go to the place, me rent the place, and me I live my life, and me I do the work. People come in, remember me did a long time, you know. Remember I was there first, from the first batch of people. And me last so long and them couldn't take it no more. I don't know who in charge, I don't know who say what. Me no know. But when me say them, everybody will do it, then don't know themselves. Cause me never just come out of a group just so. And Spice no put me out just so. Remember the man talk say me if in there from day one. Why is that? Me don't understand. Me don't understand. What? Me don't know. Me tell her danger if you in there see the danger come fuck the man. You want next one too. And anything want to reach, you know, it go reach, you know, cause you are wicked. You are wicked and you know better. You know better. You know better. That's why I never care, you know. And I did plan for talk. Me tell the woman, God, something I go do me I first start back. Because Spice 2 Sundays ago, like one me just work with my mind. Right now, me have the proof. Me go play the voice note them in the next one. Where the boy say. And me just video call her because me did want to see her. But you know she there far. And me there when me there. Me video call the woman. And me just talk. Me just let it go. Me just ball and I give it. Me not perfect, you know. Trust me. But me I want a real girl. Cause remember me and the woman are best friend. Me know all the things up till now. But I don't do that. I'm not the type. If me and you are a friend and we not talk again, I just saw you go. Me not go come out and talk your business and start you. But if me hear say you do it, me I go do it too. Don't get me wrong. Cause me I know no goody way. She alright. If you murder me, I go murder you back as some mistake. The same one guy there where she say where the man say him never approve of what Spice never fit there with. The man know me and the man rate me. The man them were in par with the whole of them rate me. Cause everywhere me go people just love me and love me energy then take on to me. Cause me not kill up myself. Me not kill up myself and never. Me just ever humble and build and do my thing. The man send, you know, if after what has, you know, after everything that transpired, everything that happened, the man send one of him family member them to me. And the man say, Mama, like them, like a man would have say, a man would have come to me and say, he boss say fi hold it done, you know. He boss say fi hold it done and nobody say nothing. The boss say fi hold it done, nobody say nothing. That after all the baby father gone and all of that, cause you know, him never last too long when me did it. Because the man feels, remember say normally, you know, when woman and woman have argument and drama, did the mouth start talk, mouth go fly, whoops, social media and everything. And me never say nothing. And me say no man, a good man, me not stay so, me not gonna do that. He good. No matter how you kill me and me did hurt and it burn me, you know. Me say it burn me. No act like when you work your ass off and you don't get what you deserve. And other little pussy will fuck up people come around. And again, why you put in the work from? The groundwork, the dirt under your fingernail. Your tilly side, that's how you go. Yeah. And when you think you grow and get bigger and better, some fake ass pussy will wanna be just come around. And them never love it genuinely. They didn't. Everybody just do all kind of shit. Fiwa. Everybody want who can be the best, who can. It's always a fight and a competition, no unity, no work, no unison, no work together, no unity. Anyway, so me I go one plus and a part and a drift. Remember I couldn't hear what the boy say. Shit, if friggin' phone put on Nigeria wet up. So anyways, me lift up back the boy Instagram now, cause me never have his number, and no say years that me lose that. Just him change phone all the time. Me lift up back the boy Instagram now and say, you know, so me make up my mind for tell Spice, me I go tell her now. You understand? Me go make on the hear what the guys say. Yeah, cause me think me rest me short. Right. I look for the chat with it, come forward the voice note.
You're too fucking hard days. From day one, me I say to you, say, oh,
Wait,
say
me
it to her,
start it.
baby love. Because me know, say for once, twice, will never stop.
And to me know saying there in bed because him always ready. If me figure a quote, him always ready. Him never disappoint me. Every time me draw upon him with an argument, yeah. And I think even last year, me and him, he just always come up the boy say, and he burn him enough time he want to write things for media, but him just holy. Cause him know the truth. And it come up time and time again. But me just say, me I go tell, me I go talk. So just listen to him I say.
You're too fucking hard days. From day one, me I say to you, say, oh, say it to her, baby love. Because me know, say for once, twice, will never stand for that, bro. You get me, I say? And whether being as a baby father or not, if him ever do them something, then he might not good influence to the kids then, bro. You get me? So I'm glad to say I wake up now and about time you get back out there and I shine, bro. Because from that go on, I've been saying to you that make me and you go to her and say it to her. So you don't have back it because she would know shit. I'm gonna have the conversations then from them time that you go back here and say your Spice. It was true. You get me, I say? But you took so freaking long, but I'm glad to say I do it now. Because the two on it together, when they come like mother and daughter, when they did jail, in my, no, that's the future traumatized, but you know somebody have it back from him time, I didn't know. You see me, I say? And the hardest see the outcome of how everything.
Me would have like to play my responses, but me never forward them to this phone. I just forwarded like what the guy said, and I know said that is most important, right? That are the key. But another time I might, cause me not even want to come back on this. Me not even want to touch back this. This took a lot for me to speak about. And like me just start finally finding strength fit about. Every time me try fit about it, me get emotional. Like me just start feel more strong now. We can say yes that happened and not. You know, me just feel more stronger. The first and the biggest step, I call Spice, video call her, face her, and I tell her. And we have a conversation. Then a whole heap of things we start here. From before me tell her that, me hear say the girl in my fight. War in the team, one who not chat, one who not agree. So I'm like, alright, I guess this is an opportunity because nobody not go in our ears to tell her shit. And you know, remember say more than one way for skin a cat, you know. I've been wanting to, but me just wanna try find the best way. Cause it's a delicate situation and me fear say, me just did fear what heap of things. Me say it already in my past, whatever. So, I say, alright, now I go tell look man, cause the girl in my fight. And I think she will be more open for it here now. We will get her attention, right? So I call the woman and I have, then when me look, I pay things just to happen. So pay things just to happen. When me look, this man just come for me there with this bag of file and receipt and things. And I just know something go get drawn in it as usual. Nobody just can leave me alone and leave up my name. Because me are the villain, me are the dirty girl, me are the old fucker, me are the whore. And me fuck the baby father. Me do the wickedest crime. Anyways.
Never go, is it? That's why I tell you, me go to Spice and talk to her a long time. But, you know, somebody said, don't say nothing. And no time I tempted over Instagram to say it. You see me, but I say, no, I go and hold it. I go and hold it. But, full time now for you and mama link up, you see me? And, but there, you see me, I say, I am here. And mama can't say, she don't know me, cause, you know, once you pull up, dog, just stop with yourself. I can't tell if a man, okay, he's not a man, so you have to go brave up. You see me impressed. Cause I want to see you back in the light.
And this was before me go to Spice because me and him have a convo. Me say me I go tell her now, you know. So finally I go tell her, and I really want to me go find the messages because I don't want nobody feel like me fabricate no, I swear. Me just want to know this I take too much. When me done with this, me done. Me don't care what nobody else want to say. Because in idea, if I should come back live, I'm practically gonna say the same thing. So I think my next move, if my head take me, I'ma feel like, or if it can make sense or nothing can come out tight, you know, cause man about up him out or chat up him out, I might just left him to God. God see and know. Cause enough time I left them to God. Enough time. And you know what me do? Me easy back and me take it hot water and it hot fire. You see when it cool, I just relax and me just feel like a please puss. Because I proved myself right. Because I know it did go happen. It might be long but not forever. Yeah? Everything in the dark, as you know say, I go come a light. Nothing more than can say me do. Me I villain, me I wicked, me I fuck. Who else me ever fuck? Who else? Oh, me no fuck nobody else, man. Or what else danger do? If you say me wicked and me bad mind and me never good for team, what did I do? Since my pies, what else me do? I don't get it. I am not a perfect girl. I'm full of blood clot problem. A whole heap of fuck up in a life. But I am not a wicked blood clot girl. I'm not a wicked friend. I'm not a fuck up person. Especially the friend and the friend part and the family. Me am a friend killer. Me is a real one. Me a one where if my friend I do wrong, me I pick up for my friend with the wrongs. If the friend wrong, maybe when the back turn, we say, you know, say, still me feel say you should do that, but sure, that's how you go, yeah, man, very rework it out, you understand? Me not kill my friend. I know what me do, me no name nobody wild for, me not even in a way, me not in a nobody way, you know? Me not even when act. Remember, I no ever done me say me never act. Me never used to wear the artist ear. The artist was nothing. I was a threat to nobody. Maybe I'm just naturally nice. I'm a look at with 2 pieces of curve. That is all. Me never have no rich man. Me never have no money. Me never have no big house. Me never got it like that. Me just easy like Sunday evening. So I don't know why fuck no problem.
I want to see you and make it successful and make money, my friend. and look hot. See, so I know from day one, see enough people have them out against him. And enough people are fighting. I was there. Cool? So, do the right thing. And if it take too long, me myself, I gotta tell her this time. Cool? Don't forget so. I know say it was a hard thing to go through.
I don't want to play a while ago.
You get me? But them time you have to always remember, you know, even beforehand, they are look for you and they say, I always somebody will pray beforehand to see what can go on. And me don't tell you say, oh, if she not find out from you see me, and you tell her how the story go, as me know say Spice will not keep up with them fuck with him. You see me? Even if she have done him certain way and left him, you see it, because as you see, you know, Spice left him, and Spice still have prosper, and Spice don't need him. So these are the things I needed. That's why I'm going to say, tell her. I said at the end of the day, would they have the text to prove it? The time frame, the call, rate, all of them things. So, right now, it's the time for you to tell her. Don't be afraid. You just have to just be brave. Get brave if you don't brave enough. And just remember, say, if you want me there by your side at the time, I am there. Just make me know when.
I must be a film better now. Oi.
Yo, you're easy now, my friend. Yo, you're the opportunist, but I like it. You have to take in a life. I'm glad you have to use of the time frame and sister, you're wise up. So, yeah, I agree with you. Make use of the opportunity if the girl them fall out. Make use of it, my dear, because you should be there. None of them know did it before you, my friend. And you know this. You see me? You did it from inception, so take it.
I mean, just that, let me tell you this. Being honest comes with a lot. And it comes with a little bit of wrong sometimes too. Because I don't like me, I try to badmouth nobody, tear down nobody, say the worst. Come on. No matter how I left a group, I've never put back myself and my nose in the business. Me no go comment nothing, me no go say nothing funny. Me no say, this I wanna look good, this I wanna look good. I have never. Me no go comment publicly, me no make no page, me no do that. Cause me no give a fuck. If me and you no talk, me and you no talk, and me just no give a fuck. Me no watch your things, cause me no dwell upon you, and me no want no me no want no hatred. Me no want no hate fucking word. Consume me. And me develop this hate and anger for you. Where all me can think about are you and how much me hate you. I don't do that. Because hate and jealousy will consume people. Me and you not talk, me just cut you off, brother. Me no want to see you and hear from you and hear nothing about you. If somebody want to bring you up, me not talk about it because me no want to talk about it. So me stay. So I don't like me this and that because me and whoever no talk. Me still no make people business bother me certain way. Me not care. Enough time me ever lost to media. All that there's something there where the man post. All when the man they live, people send me. Cause me ever lost, me ever there back when they come on to people business. Cause me no care. Notice every time I come on media and me and nobody have something, and them did trouble me. Everybody have feelings, everybody a human being, everybody tired of get sweep on the carpet. Me get licked with a big blood clot Leland truck. Me get run over and my head crush out with a big bus. RAV4, big them big old, the big truck them, everything big and heavy. Lick me go, lick me come, run me over, roadkill. And me did tired of it too. But me not tell no lie. And nobody for no reason. What am I gonna gain? Me just tired. Me a clear my name. Me want clear my name. Me tired of it. Enough is a fucking enough, brother. Enough a man up and talk the truth. A whole heap of things you know hide and a hold on because you know some are wicked. And a whole heap of things you know do and you know if you do. I used to talk, but you still not come clean. You still not come clean. Because enough people never deserve a lot of stuff. Enough people get it. Because of what? Greed. Jealousy. You just want to make it to the top. Regardless of who get hurt in that process, and you don't give a fuck. This world is a cool world and you don't care. I mean, I look no sympathy and no pity. Me just attack how it go. How my side go. Notice me hold it done all long. Because I an idea. Me could bother with no court. Me never go to no court nothing. Me love confrontation and me dey vex. And me feel like me da fight. And if I war or something, I feel like I never care. And if me could do nothing about him, I want somebody do something about it because him fuck up and wicked. And him deserve to get a blood clot beating. If you want him do, and him come and beat up him out, chang. Yeah, me fuck the angel, you can't even Number one, brother. You fuck me. Why you have to fuck me? Can me ear say, when me just left the group, me ear say, oh, you fuck me and give me $10,000. Something like that. My youth, you don't even attract me. You're not my type of man. You are not my type of man. So me don't know how you go come and boast and a chat. Oh, you fuck me. You know me type. Your pants foot them big. Your pants foot them went too big and your shirt them went too big and your sneakers them went too big. And you mean. You never have nothing to catch me angry with me. You never dress up in a dear jewelry. You never have money or flash left and right. You were a mean motherfucker. Because when we dey on the tour, you don't buy yourself a drawers. You don't buy yourself a underpants. You don't buy your kids a fucking toy. So, I know, like say, when I spend a bag of money for me, say, blood clot man, I can't fuck him and go take something off for him. No. You know my type. I mean, I say I can't deal with big pants, man, but you're just never ready. But just when you just try really hard, be a humble little girl and go through. Come like if you're not drunk in a life, you can't make it. If you're not drunk or dog, you can't make it. If you're not dog out, you can't make it. People come with little manners, little etiquette, even though a dancehall or whatever. People come good and want on them in a worse. So I don't always want to make it worse out of people. You was not my fucking type of man. You never attract me. Me not say you're ugly, but you was not my type. Number one, you is a no-no. Cause I'm a boss man. Me blood clot. Then me a idiot. Why me would I really want to fuck with the boss man? Remember, it was never you are the boss. Why would I want to fuck with the boss man? I mean, no say that is a fucking dangerous thing to do. You fuck with the boss, you're going to lose your work. Because any idea, of course, me I say no. Me I got pre-said that if you find out. Because some girl will do it and not care. But I am a smart girl. Me have sense. You know me type of man. You was the boss man. Which become me. Well, she was not. Me and her name so close at the time. But we was always good. Because from going there, you know our energy did always good and welcoming. There's somebody up there so cause of fear advice me want borrow. And my mouth I get tired. Me not see nothing what could I say. Yes, me fuck the angel. Bad man. Are you fuck me? Me don't know why you did have in your intention, but me never have it in my mind. You never have no money for red me eye. You mean Spice alone I fi buy every tie for the two pitney them. Every piece of clothes when we dey on the tour. Cause me can talk when me sit on tour. I mean I go tell no lie on nobody. The man don't buy himself a shoes. The man is mean. So why me I go fuck a mean man? Why me I go fuck a mean man? Which is the boss man, the man of the boss. That's I just straight damage that. Damage me I go for. I would have want Nam Z, fuck a idiot girl that just I go straight headway for kill themselves. Suicide mission that. Why the fuck would I do that? That makes sense? Why the fuck would I do that? And all somebody when I have no sense would I just know self not do that. Let me see if I can play some more voice note. Cause I want to put it that way there. Me fuck danger. Yes, okay. You see it? You see it? Him attack it, you know? You see, say the man talk. The man talk. But our society and how him say it, you know, say it like say. Him fuck me, yes, him rape me. Cause fuck no call it. So him fuck me without my permission and I want to call that. Cause number one, all if you when get the key and pull it and come in and me say, alright, take it. You're still wrong, bad man. You never was supposed to come in there without me accepting and let you in. Me should have pulled my door myself and let you in. You're fucking out hard and bright. I remember say the white people them not gonna know because when we come together, I remember Empo Queen. So who would know say this a man a pervert and no, don't give him the key because we don't know what him up to. You're fucking out hard. And come a chat if you want a man give you a big man thump, a couple big man thump well in your blood clot mouth, make you talk straight and talk good. On the two wicked and blood clot devious.
Don't be afraid, get at it. Do it. I'm there for back you. You know. You always say, my friend, remember see me here did that talk at that time, you know. So that burn in my memory exactly when every piece of advice I give you for that gym, every little piece of thing, remember. Remember say, oh, it's the hotel in Paris. You see me right now, France, it gone. You see? Remember say me give the advice to go down here to lobby anytime you matter about Siri. Remember when you tell me say him only down and he must say to you say, oh, if you send to Spice or Ray, you know what go on. You'll get sent home and thing, and that's how you have in consideration. And you never believe the Spice have enough trust in her if you say it to her, and she don't believe you. So now what you say, my friend, remember every single detail. Zine, these years, I might lose it on the phone, but it's locking in my mind, so don't worry yourself. Alright, so as much as we can remember the first part.
Because me ask him say, if you go it over without me saying whatever me remember, cause me want to see. You understand? Me just did want him just talk and remember when me tell him.
Sorry. Remember the first part? I did remember the night he called me. I'd say he didn't want to say something to me, but you're scared. I'm they asking why. And you say because you don't know how they're gonna look for you after this. I'm gonna tell you to go ahead and talk. And for a while you never did want to talk because if you feel like if you did tell me, then we'll just cut you off just so. So but did I talk to you, but convince you and tell you say you need to basically just calm yourself, stop crying, and talk to me. It's better if you tell me than you don't tell me, I'm going to find out. Otherwise, then me ain't gonna have a problem. But with all of that, when I say up and you to start laugh and then you decide to start talk, and you tell me say the dude they hold it down in the room. And it's been a while where him be after you the first time the pizza thing. And you don't know what to do now because he rape you and he attack when I come back again. And he might use spice as basically a shield because they say, well, if you go to spice, he might tell spice say, you want him, basically him never tell Spice say you command to him and not him command to you. So at the end of the day, him being Spice baby father, that more likely believe him and kick you out of our crew. So with the whole blackmail thing they know, him they gonna talk about say him a come back in room for some pussy. Which after you tell me, I tell you say oh tell Spice. But you're still scared to tell Spice because at the time your career just a take off and you never want to fuck up the relationship where you have between you and her. But they look back at the same time and they tell you say all me is Spice and me they're much different. We are people who rather for hear the truth and deal with the nitty gritty of it and the roughness of it and know say the truth that than you tell me a lie and what to find it from somebody else that will make me hate you. So me there tell you to tell Spice and you're too scared because same way oh you there wonder how me there view you, you there wonder how she gonna view you. Or if she there look at it like a case say him rape her for true. Or just another case where she just look at it and say, oh, I just want them girl live a warm man. You get me? So all of them things they erase through your mind. But that tell her. Anyways, long story short, him text you and say him a forward back. And then you look for me and you say to me say you don't know what you gonna do. And you can't deal with this no more. You say to you say where they have planned. I did talk about say they're gonna put down a knife and stab him with the knife. Which me tell you say well, no matter with that you probably get yourself in a more problem than you want. So for the remainder at the time where when you're in a hotel or anything, if you can, for the road of Spice constantly leave Spice side, you could have do that. Or whenever you hear him talk when I come in your room, you go in the lobby of the hotel or find some other place far from him where they go. So even if you go a direction and you see him, go in a direction. And for the remainder of the journey that you basically did avoid him and he did come back home and me he start like really get into things. That's as much as I remember.
Alright. Yeah. So that's the longest one where him explain. I remember, me text the man with fire since night. Cause me just follow my mind. Me don't know. Me just move when the mind say move since lately. Cause me one mind say tell Spice, Roops. And me tell her, she said she shocked because she never did expect to hear that. Cause she expect me to confirm now. Say yes, me do that and that did happen. Since night again, me I talk to my family. Because me I tell her, I know my family, I know most of my family, when I live in a house we don't even know because I don't talk about that. Because I just one of them things that when, you know, sometimes I just can't bother to talk about it. I just don't want to relive it. I just don't want to talk about it till me ready and feel like. Which is now. Because I pray for wait till tomorrow, you know. But everybody hot, everybody under them fire, everybody motor bubble, everybody motor jump. Everybody pat a bubble. So everybody just feel like they just want to come and just murder a place. I'm not even to kill up myself. I just come in the humblest farm. And receipt what them say, them are my receipt. And most me can do a whole and funny because I best what me can do right now. Me know the truth. This a boy I know the truth. Can me tell him everything. Me text the man with fire. Cause me never say back nothing to the man, you know. Me never say back nothing to him after that. And my blood, me sorry say me lose that all that me did have to me no know who, me no know maybe Spice have it. Because Spice no lose nothing. The part where the baby father, cause As me I tell them, I never tell my family them nothing. That's why I tell up all vex and fire, mad, and run and text the baby father and say, oh yeah, call up Danger name, say you fuck Danger, Ray. And in the message when me can remember, the man said, me never tell nobody so. That's what the man write and say. Me never tell nobody so. And me more feel say Spice. Me would have more feel say as Spice and Danger fuck. Because one of the time them, when we up on tour, she was sleeping in my room, which is a fact when me tell you no. When they have them big argument and war, she did a stay with me. So that was what the man said. And I am sorry, me never have that. So that did kind of cool on things, make my family them and my sister whoever believes say me never do it. That never happened for true. Well, the claim was say me never do it for true. And that's why people that's why that went cool on for my family. Because the man talks, so him never tell nobody so. And then more for say me and Spice already because when I sleep in a room. Me don't remember all the rest of Canva go. But me remember set all up when he gets up and I say, oh, cause and that the woman there, I'm ready fearing anything because Ray, and me don't want nobody tell no lie. You understand?